Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Today I want to show us how to give a name to a cell or to a range of cells on Microsoft Excel. Simply put, I want to give a name to the values in this variable. For instance, this is customer age. Now if I want to give to a singular cell, all I have to do is select that cell and go to my name box and type in whatever name I want to give to the cell. So if I call this client 1age, now I have that cell. So if I say equal to client, so you can see that value, enter, it's 19. If I update the value here to 25, 24, you see it updates here as well because I have given a name to that range. The other way we can do it is if I want to give a name to the entire variable. For instance, all the ages here. If I select the first one and I do Ctrl Shift down to highlight all, go to my name box and call that customer underscore age. If I select that, if I hit enter, I now have that variable called customer age. Finally, you can give a name to all the variables that are in this table, which is sometimes easier because you don't want to be doing column by column. So to do that, you simply go to your formulas, highlight your whole table first, go to your formulas tab, go to create from selection, and because you want to give a name to each variable from the top row, you select only top row and select enter. Okay, now it looks as though nothing has happened, but let's come here and let's do go to age. So you see the names of all the variables are available. So if I do go to age underscore group, that's there. If I do go to revenue, that's also there. Now just in case I do not need these named ranges anymore, I want to edit them, I go to my formulas tab, go to my name manager, select, and I can see the name of all my ranges there. So I can delete my client 1age and I'm good to go. Thank you guys. See you on my next video.